The journey of self-discovery is one that every person should undertake. As I look back on my solo travel, I am reminded of the profound lessons it taught me. The open road, unfamiliar sight, and the people I met along the way all helped me to disconnect from the daily routine and reconnect with my true self. I had the opportunity to reflect on my values, my goals, and my life. I was able to understand my strength and my weaknesses and come to terms with my own identity. The beauty of nature, the different cultures, and the kindness of all strangers contributed to a sense of inner peace and tranquility. I returned home a changed person with a newfound wisdom and appreciation for the world around me. But most importantly, I returned home with an overwhelming sense of gratitude and the opportunity to experience the beauty of this world. I urge you to take the chance to embark on your own solo journey and discover the magic of traveling alone. It is a journey that will change you, enlighten you, and give you a sense of purpose that money can't buy.
I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time.
With that, we are proud to each other.